Hey guys, how you doing? This is MMP Fan for welcome back to the channel. I'm just going to bring you a very special Christmas video today. First of all, Merry Christmas everybody to all my subscribers and all Power Ranger fans out there and anybody who's ever graced this channel. So a very Merry Christmas. It's Christmas Day and I just thought I'd come here and I'd do a very special video. I'm going to do a very special unboxing. My cousin Gary has got me the Lost Galaxy Red and Spin Space Psycho Red 2-pack, and here it is. So I'm going to open it, show you the figures. I'm not going to review them today because I like to do them in order, and I'm a CEO at the minute. So I'm just going to show you the box, show you the figures, show you the difference between the Lightning, the Wave 9 Lost Galaxy Red, and the difference between this red, because there's two different heads, and I'm just so finally glad to get this because it's got the Quasar Saber. And what Hasbro did was they released this first, and then they released Lost Galaxy Red on its own, but they're crafty. They didn't include the Quasar Saber with the single pack. They gave a rocket launcher with it. So unfortunately, to get both, you have to buy both. But thanks, Gary, dude. Seriously, I really appreciate this here. For kind of the Quasar Saber brilliant. So I'll just open this up and then enjoy the video, guys. Right, so I usually use a Stanley knife to open, but I can't get into my wardrobe at the minute because I've got everything piled on top at the minute. It's just because it's Christmas Day and I've got stuff in the bedroom, so I'm using a kitchen knife. Please be careful. If you're using a kitchen knife, I wouldn't recommend this, but please be careful. Right, let's see where you get this open now. Oh, I guess it's from the side. I should know this by now, shouldn't I? The amount of figures I have. Of course, cut away from yourself. I wouldn't recommend using a kitchen knife, but this is my wee trusty knife that I use for cooking, so I know how to use it and be careful. I recommend using a Stanley knife or a safety blade, but don't use a sharp knife. And if you are using a sharp knife, please be very careful. I'm just up there too. Get a nice cup of tea in me. Look at that, guys. Excellent. Always hate getting these out of the blister packaging. Oh. And they're very noisy too, like. I love doing these unboxings. What did I drop? Right. Drop the closed Quasar Saber, and I dropped Leo's head, which is lying somewhere. I'll find it in a minute. We put the plastic back in again. Right. And you just set that to the side. Right. 2 seconds, guys. I dropped Leo's head. Right. Oh yeah. And because of Hasbro, I now have two Lost Galaxy Red figures, but I had to get it to get the Quasar Saber. I hated the fact that I had a Lost Galaxy Red and it didn't have the Quasar Saber. The Quasar launcher is cool, but it has to have the Quasar Saber. So. Only one wee quality control issue there. You see the line there, a wee bit of red, but I'm not going to stick with that. I'll just show the two beside each other. Of course, I have my Wave. Of course, I have my Wave 9 with his rocket launcher in his hands, so there you are. And just the accessories he comes with. The Quasar Saber. It comes with the closed Quasar Saber. And then it comes with the usual two fists. There's one fist. I'm sure it's here somewhere. Oh, it fell, that's why. There you are. And then it comes with a lightning piece, which I've got a million of now. And then it goes on to the Quasar Saber, you just... which is nice. Right, so you just slot that into the... Of course, don't have it in when you're holding on to the Quasar Saber. Of course you can take it out. Let's see, striking a good pose. Oh, look how fantastic that looks. Oh, yeah. It just looks so much better now with the Quasar Saber. Wonderful. Absolutely wonderful. Must say it looks bright with both. Like one with the Quasar Saber and one with the launcher. So I'm going to have that one down with my swords, and I'm going to put that one up here with my other Lego figures. But even them together is fantastic. Right, Leo's head sculpt is here. I mean, I don't know. I mean, I think that one really looks like Danny Sullivan, and I think it's just nice to have two Leo heads so you can choose between. I think they both look good. I think one looks more like Danny Sullivan and one looks more like Leo, if you understand what I mean. But I don't mind them both. I'm just gonna see what this looks like on the head. Oh, I like that. Oh, I actually do like that. I have to say that's actually quite a good head, so it is. Oh, I do like that. I think it looks more like Leo, to be honest. That one does too, but that one looks really like it. It's kind of, it's like that's the start of the season, and that's the end of it, which is pretty good. Right, so we've got his helmet back on. He's like, oh, I've lost my head. Oh, brilliant, boy. Absolutely brilliant. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Just give you a look at that, guys. Oh, it's fantastic. Right. Now for the evil her himself. The Psycho Red. I'm not really fussed on the Psycho Rangers, to be quite honest with you, but I needed that Quasar Saber, so there you are. That's a new figure for the line, the Psycho Red. We just have to get the Psycho Rangers now. We still have one, not the rest, but we just have to see. Oh, a wee blemish there. Oh, the wee paint apps don't annoy me. The wee paint apps don't annoy me. Of course, it comes with 2 hands, a fist and a hand to hold the sword. So you can take that wee blast effect off. I don't know where I'm putting them up my build display because I literally have no room. I hate doing this. Sometimes it's so hard to get the weapons in my hands. But just be patient and just... Oh, they're very menacing looking. They are nice, like. This is the first time I've ever had a Psycho Ranger figure, so nice. I'll have to get the blue one now. Oh, look at that. Oh, lovely. Excellent. As I say, I'm just showing them off today. I'm not reviewing them. I will do a review down the time, sometime. As I say, I started ZO, so I hope you've seen my ZO Ranger 5 Red and my Kingswing videos I did yesterday. So check them out. This is just a wee special Christmas Day video for you guys, just for a big thank you for supporting my channel and watching my videos. And I still can't believe I've got 346 subscribers. Seriously guys, thank you very much for supporting my channel. I really do appreciate it. Because this is a hobby and so much fun. I love doing this on YouTube. So I thank you guys just for supporting my channel and watching. And I really do my best. So I'm glad you like my stuff. So I'll just show these two together. And then I suppose I bring in Space Red, because these two fought in the actual show. Oh, look at that. Oh, ho, ho. Oh, wonderful. I'm going to post pictures at the end of this video with all the Red Rangers together. At the minute I have MMPR Red, ZO Red, In Space Red, Lost Galaxy Red, Time Force Red, Base Morphers Red, Dino Thunder Red, SBD Red. I think that's it. I'm going to do a picture, I'll show a picture of the Forever Red Rangers that I have. Then I'll do a picture of all the Red Rangers I have. So that's really all I have to say on this video, guys. Of course, that piece for the launcher, which is pretty nice. So that's all I have to really say on this video, guys. Just have a very, very Merry Christmas, guys, and really enjoy your day. And try not get too drunk. You know, I might have a couple of beers, but just enjoy yourselves, guys. Have a very, very Merry Christmas, and I will see you guys around. Thank you very much for watching. Again, please subscribe, like the video, let me know in the comments what you think, and enjoy the slideshow. So I'll see you later. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.